take this medicine? The accident happened at the intersection. There has been a car accident. Where can I exchange US dollars? Where do you work? Where's the nearest hospital? Where's the post office? And you? Anything else? Are they the same? Are you afraid? Are you going to attend their wedding? Are you married? Are you okay? Are you sick? Behind the bank. Can I borrow some money? Can I have the bill, please? Can you call back later? Can you carry this for me? Can you fix this? Can you give me an example? Can you speak louder, please? Can you swim? Do you accept US dollars? Do you have a girlfriend? Do you have a problem? Do you have an appointment? Do you hear that? Do you know how to get to the Marriott Hotel? Do you know what this means? Do you know where I can get a taxi? Do you know where my glasses are? Do you like your co-workers? Do you need anything else? Do you understand? Does he like the school? Give me the pen. How do you know? How is she? How long is it? How many? How much is it? I have a lot of things to do. In 30 minutes. Is anyone else coming? Is everything okay? Is it cold outside? Is it far from here? Is it hot? Is it raining? Is there anything cheaper? Is your son here?